Hello everybody and welcome to another episode of Friday Fabric Finds for the week of August 23rd, 2024. My name is Justin, I'm a photographer and product adder.
And I'm Lisa, the shipping manager.
This is a series where we go over the newsletter that gets released on Fridays, go out into our studio and show you that fabric in person. So without further ado, let's get started.
This week's Friday bundle is getting in preparation for Halloween. We've only got 2 months left. Got some material that's got little mini patterns on there. Got some spiders, some eyeballs, some pumpkins, candies, and bats. It's in your traditional Halloween colors, black, white, orange. Some of the prints glow in the dark. So that's a really cute bundle to get your Halloween going and really cute.
All right, next for you guys, we have a collection called Bittersweet Farm from Riley Blake. This is a Halloween group. We got the full collection yardage, 10-inch squares, and the turkey trot table runner kits. We got patterns of scarecrows, farm critters such as turkeys, birds, and cats. We have pumpkins, oaks, acorns, and sunflowers in colors of cream, gold, orange, green, and black. I'll tell you what, there's nothing scary about this collection, so make sure to fall in love with Bittersweet Farm.
Okay, next we've got a cute little flannel group. It's a Winter Jays flannel from Northcott. It's got some beautiful colors in it. It's got blue jays, chickadees, barns, pine cones, wood grains, and snowy textures. And it's got white, shades of blue, light to dark. And it is very, very bold colors. And if you live anywhere where it's going to be cold this winter, which is the opposite of Texas right now because it's really hot, you'll want to try this out. It's nice and cozy and super soft. So check that out for your winter products.
Next, we got a very beautiful collection called Gypsy Violet from Blank Quilting. This group features the full collection yardage, 24-inch panels, and the multiverse quilt kits. We got patterns such as horses, wreaths, feathers, flowers, leaves, dots, and a celestial sky in colors of blue, lilac, mint, white, and purple. This group's very vibrant, so make sure to let your mind dream freely with Gypsy Violet.
Okay, next we've got some backing for you. We've got some 118-inch wide Parkside backing from Henry Glass. It's got some beautiful paisley patterns. It's got purple and white, some teal and black and violet. And if you need some backing for your little projects that you're working on, this is really cute and it's bigger than our normal 108-inch. So if you need something for your new quilts that you're making, just check this out and get some nice colors for you.
Next, we got a sale on a kit for you guys called the Charlotte Quilt Kit. Charlotte, did I say that right?
Charlotte.
I knew as soon as it came out of my mouth it wasn't right. The Charlotte Quilt Kit from the group Magnolia from Andover. The original price on this was $64.96. We now have it on sale for $42.96. So be sure to check this too good of a steal out before it's gone.
That's a good deal. Next, we've got Willow's Farm from Moda. We've got full yardage, 24-inch panels, layer cakes, charm packs, fat quarter bundles, and 2 kits. One of those kits is V.I.P Quilt Kit, and the next one is On the Farm Quilt Kit. Both of these and the material all have farm animals like cows, ducks, pigs, sheep, horses, and farm scenes. Got some trucks, tractors, chicken wire, wood textures, and gingham prints, and they are super, super cute. And the colors we have for this group are cloud, sky, blush, sunshine, willow, red, mushroom, sage, and pond. So a lot of earthy colors that go into that. So check that out when you're trying to get something to go with your farm theme.
Last group we have for you guys is the Hold Your Horses collection from 3 Wishes. This features the full collection yardage as well as fat quarter bundles. This group features patterns such as horses, cacti, stars, longhorn skulls, and boots in colors of red, tan, and green. So be sure to saddle up with Hold Your Horses.
All right, y'all, this is August, so it's time for our bargains. We put a lot of stuff on sale, discounted. So just check out all our great deals and we'll get that shipped out to you as soon as we can. Get ready for Christmas because you got some projects that you want to work on, I'm sure.
All right, right there under favorites, we wanted to highlight the V.I.P event. The next event's going to be September 18th, 2024. Tickets are on sale now, but they're going to go fast. Basically what the V.I.P event is, it's a whole event. It's like 3 hours long. Customers can come into our studio and actually shop in person. It's a ton of fun. You get swag bags, free food. You get to talk to vendors. So be sure to purchase a ticket before they are gone because they will go very fast.
Yes, and we love seeing y'all, so get that ticket quick. Okay, and our next section is our comment of the week. We pulled some comments from last week's episode and we read this out for you guys. These can be be from YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, any of our social media outlets we can pull this from. Don't forget to leave those comments and we could pull yours. This week's is from Sandy Bruce 9092. And she says, I just heard about this company from a friend who has shopped online with them. I haven't made a purchase yet, but I definitely will be doing so soon when I can. So thanks for your comments. We love it. We love hearing from you guys and what you have to say. We will look for your name coming soon.
Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed, please leave a like, be sure to subscribe, and be sure to ring that bell so you get notified when we upload. Leave a comment, you might be featured for Comment of the Week, and be sure to follow us on social media. Links will be in the description below. But with that being said, we will see you next week. Bye.
Bye.